So let's talk about mosquitoes. These are the creatures that most people dislike, and actually most people that know me know that I hate mosquitoes. Oh, mira esto. Mira! They are known to cause more than 1 million deaths a year. But what if I told you there is a way where you can live peacefully, with warm weather, surrounded by water, without mosquitoes? Seems impossible, right? So let's do it. Shall we? So first of all, we must know what can repel or even kill mosquitoes. So let's start the research. Okay, I like this. This is kind of like a tennis racket, but instead of the strings, it has this electric mesh which electrocutes the mosquitoes. So we can use that idea. So after a few more minutes of searching, I found this anti-mosquito suit on Amazon for only $30, which is not a bad idea to repel mosquitoes efficiently and cheaper. But then, what is the fun on this video? So let's continue. Okay, I have one little problem. I have to put the house on top of the water, but I have no idea how to do that, so let's ask Google. Okay, so according to Mr. Google here, floating houses have this concrete floor, which at the same time is used as a giant flotation device.
But you can use this flotation device
with styrofoam inside it. And if that somehow doesn't work, they use barrels and they put it beneath the house to make it float. Okay, first problem solved, but now I have another problem. I have to figure out how I am going to power the whole elaborated mesh around the house and the house itself. So after looking at some powering options, I found that I can't have my own oil extraction plant in the middle of the ocean. So I had to find easier, more efficient and much more environmentally friendly way to obtain my energy. The answer? Solar panels. This is a much more efficient way to do it, not only for the atmosphere, but also for your wallet. I don't know if you knew this, but solar power is now the cheapest electricity on history. Also, because the house is going to be close to the line of the equator, so there is going to be a lot of sun. In the beginning, I thought to put my floating home right next to Greenland, where there is a lot of cold, which mosquitoes hate, but then I realized a cold sad life wasn't gonna work. So I put my home right in these coordinates. So now that I have all those ideas in mind, I'm gonna make a drawing of my future home. So yeah guys, this is what my future home will look like.
Well, it's kind of trash, not gonna lie.
Don't worry, I will make it much better in Blender. Let's do it. Pretty hard. Comment down below why you think floating houses are hard to make. Let's continue. Now, this is what my future house will look like. But first, let me remind you, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and turning on notifications. You won't regret it. Now, let's dive. Okay guys, don't do what I just did. Just buy the $30 anti-mosquito suit on Amazon. Link in the description.